Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, it's all about Nufun Transfer paper. So I did a wash and I'm gonna give you guys a review. This review on this wash test is going to be nothing but my own observation, and I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing. I'm gonna say it exactly how it is. I'm gonna be 100% real with this. So if you know you have been using Nufun and you haven't done a wash test, you've been shipping to customers, you may want to watch this because you'll be like shocked, like, oh wait, is this what my customers have been getting? But anyways, without wasting much time, let's dive into this video. So you guys, for those of you that don't really know much about Nufun transfer paper is what I use, and it is transfer paper that you can design and press on a shirt. They have two types. Oh, they have different types, but the two types I used to use is Nufun transfer paper for dark fabric and also for light fabric, but this one is for dark fabric. So the difference between the light and the dark is that the light has a blue a pink check mark, while the dark has a blue check mark. And for the lights, you press it as it is, just like sublimation, while for the dark you have to cut it and peel it out. So that's the difference. I did a wash test after my son's birthday came up, and I used Nufun for his shirts, and when I washed it, the one time I washed it, I was shocked. I'm like, is this what my customers get? So that made me want to change from using Nufun. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let's get into this video because I don't want to waste your time. Boom, this is what I got after a wash. Can you guys see the bleed? Yep, it is so obvious. So it did bleed, so that means my customers that got this definitely had this problem. I just feel bad that this is what they got, but when I looked at it, I said, I cannot believe this bled through the shirt. So this is a one-time thing. But one thing is, with the fact that kids grow so fast, they end up not using that cloth. So they're gonna need something bigger. And the fact that I'm in a birthday niche is a one-time thing. They don't have to use it over and over again. It's a one-time wear and that's it. And also other niche, other one-time occasion, you can definitely use Nufun for, like, funeral. Of course, I say birthday. I cannot think about any other one off of my head, but the one time occasion, you can definitely use Nufun for. But will I recommend Nufun? No, because so I have another shirt that I did a wash test on, and look at it. You can see it doesn't have the bleed, but I'm gonna show you where the bleed is. There is a bleed. Don't let this deceive you. So I have 3 shirts here. I'm gonna show you guys 2 shirts and 1 sweatshirt. Can you guys see where the bleed is? So I think I 100% prefer the bleed to be inside the shirt and not outside the shirt, because that is too obvious, and it's gonna nobody want to put on a shirt with a bleed on top of it. So I'm gonna show you my other one here. This other one, my sweatshirt, and you guys can see it don't have the bleed on here. A little bit of bleed. Let's flip it around. So let's check the second shirts. So you already seen the front. Look at the bleed again. Can you guys see the bleed? We got the bleed. So with those bleed, it's a big no-no for me, because that can mess up my business. So for that reason, I decided, you know what, I will have to upgrade. I have to do something. I cannot keep on using Nufun because it's not good for my business. For those of you that are trying to use Nufun for your brand, it's not an option, because Nufun is not a permanent press or print on a shirt. It's a temporary press on a shirt. So if you're building a brand, that's not an option to go for, because you're gonna have this situation, and you don't want that to be part of your brand. So will I recommend Nufun? No, I'm not gonna recommend Nufun, because of course this is the result I got after a freaking year. That's when I discovered this is not something I want to do. And another thing I want to show you guys is when you stretch it, you see the design breaks. So that's something that it's a big no-no for me. And can you guys see that? That's not good. So that's part of the reason why I told myself I will have to look for a different solution. I got a customer, not a customer, I have a subscriber that recommended specific transfer paper, which I bought, and I'm going to be reviewing that for you guys, and I'm gonna do the wash test so we can all see how it look like. So you guys don't want to miss on that. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is free. You have nothing to lose. In this on this channel, we talk all things crafting and business, so you don't want to miss out on that. If you have a business, you may want to subscribe to this channel, or you're planning to have a business, you may want to subscribe to this channel, or you are a crafter or potential crafter, go ahead and subscribe, because you will get good information that's going to help you grow. I am growing my business. We are all going to grow our businesses together. My business, for those of you that are new to this channel, is 1 year and some months now, and 1 year and less than 6 months. And my first year I made $61,000. So it is definitely growing. I'm hoping this year I make more than that, so we will see. So but anyways, I am grateful to God. I'm happy that God has blessed me with this business. So you guys are going to be seeing my behind the scene, what I go through, my success, my failures, what I've been going, like all my behind the scenes. You guys are going to be seeing. I'm not going to hide nothing from y'all. Y'all know I'm very transparent. That's what this channel is all about, transparency. So but anyways, don't miss out on the next video, because I am going to be reviewing a transfer that a subscriber recommended, so you don't want to miss out on that. My kid is crying, I gotta go. But anyways, as always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen. Peace out. Gotta go take care of my kids. Bye.